What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got an interesting video for you guys today, a big update on the Uber app. Before we jump into this video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to our sponsor, Solo. Solo is a great way to simply make more money as a driver. It gets you access to guaranteed pay and some other amazing features. On top of that, our viewers are going to get $10 just for signing up using the link in the description below. Let's dive into the video. 4 months ago, we unveiled Comfort Electric, our first all-electric rides offering, in a handful of California cities. Now, with more electric rides happening than ever, Comfort Electric is going national. Starting today, riders in 24 cities across the US, in addition to Vancouver, Canada, can request a Comfort Electric ride. Uber Comfort Electric gives riders a new way to go from A to B and be part of the climate solution. It's as simple as tapping a button and requesting a ride in a premium electric vehicle like a Tesla, Polestar, or Ford Mustang Mach-E. Man, that Ford Mustang Mach-E, you want to talk about a car that I would never buy? No offense to anyone who owns one. We've received great feedback from riders about Comfort Electric, but they're not the only ones enjoying this new product experience. Drivers are too. Drivers eligible for Comfort Electric can earn more per hour as a result of higher fares, gas savings, and an extra $1 per trip incentive for each trip they complete. That's the biggest load of BS, that these electric car drivers get that additional incentive. Well, we want to incentivize our drivers to go electric. Well, you want to screw over like 98% of drivers that still have gas vehicles? You want to hose us even more than you already have? And they're making a positive environmental impact, doubt that. In 2022 alone, EV drivers active on the Uber platform have avoided using over 5.7 million gallons of gasoline. What a crock of crap. Our partnership with Hertz has helped pave the way for the expansion of Comfort Electric, with more than 25,000 drivers renting a Tesla. For those of you who have only admired Teslas from a distance, they're coming your way. We've heard from drivers that some riders are having difficulty figuring out how to open the Tesla door handle. No sweat. Just check out our in-app notification once you're matched with the Tesla, so the next time your ride rolls up, you'll know exactly how to hop in. Push wide part of handle, then grab and pull to open. Annoying. That whole thing annoys me. This whole electric push, like I just hate the PR. I hate the press. And I get that they do a pretty good job with it. I hate it because it's like half truth. The whole push for the electric vehicles is just to weed everyone out. So then they push to autonomous vehicles and then none of us have jobs anymore. Like, it's just so sickening how they cover everything up. The incentive, like I said, for electric car drivers, like I'm happy for all of you that do have Teslas and make more money. Like, I'm not mad that you guys are making more, but I do think it's like preposterous that those of us that are paying more now for gas than we traditionally have, like, we get penalized even more because we don't have an electric vehicle, and then it's covered up as being an incentive. We want to incentivize you to go buy a $50,000 vehicle. We don't make enough to buy that expensive of a car. Greg, did you know that there's the used ones that you can get for much cheaper? Yes, I'm aware. Yes, I'm aware. It's still ridiculous. So anyways, let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you check out Solo in the description below. Get that $10 just for signing up. And stay tuned for more updates.